Hey guys, what's going on? Alright, so we got a 99 Cavalier here. When a buddy brought it to me, wasn't running, had a security fault because it didn't have an ignition. Now, I got myself a new used cylinder lock and key. And the process for doing this is relatively simple on these cars. Mine did it in the 10-minute cycle, which consists of turning it on, trying to start it, and then leaving the key on. The theft light will blink after the 10 minutes. Roll it back and attempt to start it, and the theft light will go out. So here we go. It was pretty simple, but when you're wanting to get the key out or in, you have a button back here. I actually push it with my finger, grab it, and pull. It's that easy. Install, same way. This is for the Passlock cylinder ones. It's not held in the key. It's held in here, in the lock cylinder. So yeah, it's pretty simple. You just remove the plastics over the steering column and go through the 10-minute cycle. If it doesn't work the first time, try it again. If it takes up to 30 minutes, unplug the battery, wait 10 minutes, and then try the 10-minute cycle again. Now, when you do it, the trick is to go off and then start right away. And it should start, the light should flash once and then go out, confirming that it's been programmed to the vehicle. This is the video for the day. Hope you enjoy.